What's good, the movement gang? What's good, the movement gang? How y'all doing on this? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Hope y'all doing something productive on this December 9th. Yes, it's December 9th. Hey, these videos gonna be running up, man. Yes, like I said, man, these videos gonna be running up. It's Saturday, December 9th, man. Yes, it is December. Yes, it is December 9th. Yes, it is December 9th. It's December 9th, man. Can't believe it's December 9th now. But yes, it is. And today, day 9, man. This is another video, but this is a reaction video. I'm gonna be reacting to Kevin Edwards and Ty Jones. You know, Kevin Edwards, Marie, he with Marie. Ty, he with Jasmine. You know, they channel going on they got a channel with the Jones family. I haven't seen videos recently. Because I haven't tuned into no more videos of them right now. I don't know. I've just been focused on my channel. That's what I'm trying to get to. A lot of subscribers, but yes, and a lot of views and all that. I'm trying to focus on my channel, get it up more. But anyways, I love y'all, the movement game. All real love, no fake love. All real love for me, no fake love. So y'all stay tuned, be in tune. The video, this reaction video, man. And what's his name in here, Brock? And I haven't seen Brock in a while though, man. Like, I'm about to get it started though. I love y'all, movement gang. Get into this, man. It's gonna be funny, y'all.
We gotta get on these hoes, man. They trying to see Titanic 4D.
I almost got hit by a big ass truck with some lawnmowers and weed eaters and shit on it. Damn, what's I got dark skin on?
We need to move.
Damn. You like a mixture of niggas like some.
Yeah, this video, watch out for
I like light skin niggas, you can't tell already, but I like your curl. You probably don't even put nothing in but some water, huh? Your mama white?
Mama white, you put nothing in the curl.
I ain't talking about my mama in a couple months. What shit, what's up? Oh, is that some lemon heads?
That bitch bad.
Oh, is that some lemon heads?
Get that
Give me some. I ain't had some heads since I was little. What's up, mama? You ain't gonna give me a lemon head? Bitch. Oh? Wow, dude.
You trying to ignore me.
What's up, Dad?
What's up, mama?
Oh, sing a love song, ass.
What's up, mama?
Nigga, keep trying to fuck with me, going down. I ain't gonna fuck with these niggas. Y'all niggas ain't got no fool. You know what I'm saying? If you was talking about some money, if you was talking about some motherfucking money, then I was fuck with the black ass nigga. This shit 200.
What's up with it, mama?
Look at nothing. Where's my 200 at?
Damn, you a tall bitch.
Come over here for nothing your fucking life. Can't help me not trying to fuck with me and shit. I don't know
Like
why.
Tyler Perry in the face, but I'm gonna take a L. What's up, mama?
You sound like Tyler Perry?
Yeah, you make movies?
No, I did a couple auditions and shit, but I don't make it because I think they stupid. But shit, I'm
they
good.
stupid, though. They do.
But shit, money talk, nigga, what's up?
You give head?
Nigga, do you give head, nigga? What's up, mama? Nigga, look. You see that? Hold up, phone.
You see what a nigga working with? What's up?
You gotta touch me and say you put some pine sauce somewhere in your dick. Cause
Hell?
here, nigga. I don't give a fuck if it burn. You not finna touch me with that pair, dick.
This is Pine Glow.
Hurry up, put the shit on your dick, man. Fuck.
Antibacterial. What the hell is all that?
Hold up, nigga, what's up?
What the fuck is that? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hey, you pull out the thing like you a man. He said, put some pine sauce on your. You ain't about to. He said pear dick. He said, I ain't about to touch that pear. He gave him some pine sauce. He said, this is Pine Glow. He said, this is Pine Glow. Hey, man, all that old videos, man, was funny, man. I enjoy seeing them, man. Enjoy reacting to this one. Another one by them, but If the original, I'll be in the description below. But I know a lot of people, if you watch Kevin Edwards, you know you've seen these old videos, man. It's funny though. You had to see these old videos, man. If you watch Kevin Edwards and stuff, but man, stupid. But he was trying to feel tired, like, cause Brock played the Ratchet female. He like, your home was basically wasn't feeling like Ty wasn't feeling him. But it's funny though. Like, you ain't give me no lemon heads. You think you give me no lemon heads? Hell no. But anyways, that was funny, man. I know you hope y'all enjoyed this reaction video. If you did, give this a thumbs up. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate the love that I'm getting, man. So far, man. You know, 20 subscribers now. I appreciate that, man. More subscribers, man. I'm gonna keep grinding, man. This out, man. It's only gonna get better from here, like I said. And go show love to my blog channel, P Nezzie Vlog. That's gonna be in the description. Show love to my blog channel. Just go in the description. You're gonna see links to my social medias and all that. So just show love, man. Cause I still haven't went to my blog channel. I got 2 vlogs on there from Thanksgiving, and it been 2 weeks in since them vlogs been on there. So they go show love, man. Probably 1 month in, and they be, you know, really old. But yeah, it's gonna be more vlogs on my blog channel, man. So show my blog channel love, cause y'all still haven't went on there. P Nezzie Vlog. Just go in the description. That's gonna be the first link. So show me on my channel, man. Still show me love on this channel. Don't forget about this channel. This is my main channel, but go follow me on my blog channel. Cause there's gonna be more and more args on there. I love y'all movement game. All real love, no fake love. All realness, no fakeness. It's just like that, movement game. Deuces, movement game. It's been good. I love y'all though. Go do that. Hope y'all enjoyed the reaction video, man. They funny, man. All the old videos funny, man. So I enjoy watching them. I enjoy reacting to this one. Man, another one. Run it up. Run it up. Run it up. I really appreciate the love, man. The people that comment, just the love, man. Period. So when people give you real, especially when it's real love, you gotta appreciate that. Cause nowadays people is not getting that real love. It's a lot of fake love that people is giving to people, man. So you gotta appreciate when it's real love. I don't know if it's real love. All I know is I'm getting love right now, and I'm appreciating it, man. Each person. So love y'all.